This is a love reading for you, Gemini, for the month of March. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's overall the guidance for you and your love interest. This could be your ex, this could be your spouse, this could be your boyfriend, girlfriend, somebody you have a crush on. This is a general reading. So the energies vary, the intensity varies. So just take what resonates with you and leave the rest. So let us see how's the guidance, Gemini. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope and fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, when I look at these cards, Gemini, you and your partner, you see you're looking towards the left and your partner is looking to the right. So, first of all, definitely the two of you are not bonding as well as you should, or you both are not talking as much as you should. Either you both are busy or you both want time out. And you see, you are standing, but your partner is walking. So I'm just saying is one of you is exceptionally busy with something, and the other person still has some free time. And it's looking like your partner may be very busy with something or the other. So you have some complaints, Gemini, emotionally, that you don't have this, or somebody did not answer your call, or you did not get your response, or somebody did not invite you, and your partner has a lot of money complaints that I am not getting paid well, my business is not going so great. The two of you have your own share of issues that you're dealing with. I don't necessarily see the two of you may have fought or there is a problem with the two of you. I'm just saying is that the two of you have your set of problems, and that may be keeping the two of you away from bonding and having a great time together. You may be grieving something also, Gemini. Maybe it's your pet who died, maybe it is somebody who's hospitalized. I'm just saying that you are in some kind of a grief and you're not keeping the best of health, partner to the Gemini. I'm just saying your health is a little bit under the radar. You may be wanting to get yourself checked up, get some medicine if you're not feeling well, or generally keep a bit of more focus on your health. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? These are some difficult cards, Gemini. I'm just saying that you had a certain incidence or an episode or a certain situation where people put all the blame on you about something, or things got out of control so bad that everybody is now blaming you or saying that you were the one who created the problem, which may necessarily not be the case. You see, this is a overkill where one sword can kill a person, but there are 10 swords which are stuck on the person's back. So I'm just saying is that, you know, just some loophole people played and then blamed you very heavily, and looks like you haven't recovered. You are still with lot of loss right now. This card is falling out. Oh my god, wow. Okay, this card just fell out my hand, just happened to brush on this card and it fell off. So when the cards are talking, first of all it's telling me, Gemini, even though your situation is quite bad, you are at a very successful position and you're looking forward to a marriage. This is a guidance where you make a proposal. So you are making a proposal also, I'm seeing here. Maybe your partner is not agreeing just yet, but this is a guidance of lot of success. So you are somebody very successful who's going through emotional downtime, and who's had a lot of blame to take over something, and you are wanting to make a proposal, but your partner doesn't seem to be ready yet or seems to be busy with something. The strength and challenge with your partner I'm seeing is that your partner is one very geared towards money. He or she, over everything, wants a financial stability and seems to be working towards it. And he or she may have told you already, Gemini, that unless and until their financial situation is very strong, they're not considering starting a family or they don't want to get married, some such thing. And that could be reason for a lot of your sadness also. So, how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? So, you see your partner as someone very, very successful, somebody you see with lot of respect. You see royalty is respect. So, you see your partner with lot of respect and you see your partner as non attention seeking. He or she is never struggling with you over attention, over who makes the decisions. He or she lets you take the lead in the relationship, and you love this about your partner. He or she is very passive and lets you take all the decision and be the main person in the relationship. Your partner sees you as someone who's definitely hurt. There are a lot of swords in your heart. You know, there's a lot of emotional breakdown that I'm seeing here, a lot of blame game. And then your partner very correctly sees you as someone who's with nursing a broken heart or has lot of issues to settle. It's quite possible, Gemini, some of you may have had a very recent breakup and now you're dating this partner, or you're going through some kind of a divorce or a very fresh divorce that you may be coming out of. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner, and what is the hope and fear your partner has about the future with you? So, first of all, you're very cautious about being with this partner, Gemini. You don't want to make mistakes, and this partner is very precious to you. So, you're taking a day at a time, and you also want to show to your partner that you have all the money as and when needed to spend on them, or to pull in your share of expenses. So you're very, very careful. You want this relationship to work out, and about the future, you're going to keep moving with so much caution. That's what I'm seeing here. Your partner is about the future very, very positive. There is a very big hope about getting married, a celebration. So your partner is in line with wanting the proposal. The two of you may have already spoken about it, and but your partner may be delaying it at present, but he or she is completely tuned in and wants a celebration, marriage, or a engagement coming along in the future. So your partner is very positive and hopeful, and looks like the two of you will make it strong in the coming times. What is the past you are coming from, Gemini, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You've lived a good life, you've had all the fun, and you traveled the world. Some of you may have traveled a lot, maybe done a lot of backpacking, and you are this very happy go lucky person. And I don't know what happened. You seem to be enjoying all the life in the past, and then maybe somebody died. I don't know what's going on with you, Gemini, because this is a very happy card. This is the happiest person anybody can be, so, and then I see you so sad. Something has happened for sure. Emotionally things have taken a hit for you. In the past, I'm seeing your partner is a quite a crafty person. He or she is very street smart, and can play a lot of mind games to get to where they want to be. So your partner is not very, is not a is not a very straightforward simpleton person. He or she is very, very street smart. They can play around with words, can play around or make up a lot of stories, and is quite capable of a lot of craft, you see. Now, what is the guidance for the love reading? You are both are finding one of you. So you see this one, there's one person walking with lot of sticks and is thinking there's no other time, nothing else to do, and there's just so much to do. And these sticks are a big X, you see. So you one of you is thinking that this is a very difficult relationship to carry on with, or is finding a lot of burden in one, being trying to carry on in the relationship. I don't know what is going on, because I'm seeing the two of you are very impressed with each other. You both understand each other very well. But I think it is your downtime, Gemini. Emotionally, you're feeling so down that you may be feeling that I'm not doing enough in the relationship. So, right now, this is just how the cards are, Gemini, for you and your love interest.